guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I have my brother here. Say hi.
Hi.
So today, he's been seeing videos everywhere on his YouTube, and he really wants to do this. Like, he always asks me, when are we going to film the video and everything. This is a plane game, and he loves like plane. He loves planes. So he's going to be flying to like a different map, right?
Yeah, like a different place on the map.
Yeah. So he really wants to show you guys, and guys, this is his like first ever plane video he's gonna make. So please enjoy, and yeah. Anyways, so he is here, and where are you flying?
There.
And he's gonna be flying to here. So enjoy, guys. And if you guys are wondering what type of plane this is a
Boeing 767, the new one.
67. Okay, guys, we just switched on the lights for like better lighting.
Okay, just unpause it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next playing video.